But can you see him picking up a job in the Premier League now as his next kind of appointment, Marley?
I think there's an absolutely perfect club for him, and it's in the Premier League, and they don't need a manager yet, but they will do soon, I think. And I think that's Crystal Palace.
Do you think they've got the players to play the Eddie Howe way, though? Do you think Crystal Palace, I mean, they've got an ageing squad, we've mentioned it on the podcast before, and they do have some good talent in the Crystal Palace squad, and the academy kind of is underused by Roy Hodgson, and like you say, he's the oldest manager in the Premier League, so it's likely that he's going to be on his way in the next season or so. But do you think that Crystal Palace are ready-made for Howe to come in and kind of do his thing?
I mean, like, Crystal Palace, they're annoyed with Hodgson. The fan base seems to be losing patience with him. They obviously had that shocking end to the season. I just think they'll probably give him another few months, and if they're languishing in sort of 15th, come October, November time, they'll be like, right, who's out there? And Eddie Howe, hopefully for them, will still be out there, because I just think it's perfect for them.